at the Dixon Grow More Experience site today, and we are comparing the ILEVO seed treatment to the Saltro seed treatment. We'll start with the ILEVO seed treatment and look at the roots first. You can see that the roots look okay, but when we compare later to the Saltro roots, you'll see that there is a difference. As we move up the plant, you can see that there's a decent pod set, but we will also be able to see that there's not as heavy a pod set and there's not as much branching on the ILEVO seed treatment. As we compare to the Saltro seed treatment, you can see that the root mass is larger, and as we move up the plant, you can see that there's definitely a lot more branching on these plants, and there's a lot higher pod set on these plants. So we're looking at the pods that we dug out of these treatments. So the first one here is Acceleron F&I plus ILEVO seed treatment, and you can see that the pod pile is smaller, and also the size of the pods are smaller also. And we move to the right, and we got another pile of pods, which is our second treatment here, which is Cruiser Max Vibrant seed treatment plus Saltro seed treatment. And you can see the size of the pile is bigger, and also the pods are larger in size. So when you compare those two, we counted the number of pods in each of these treatments. So we had 214 pods in the ILEVO treatment and 268 pods in the Saltro seed treatment. So at the end of the year, every pod counts, and that's going to result in higher yields in the Saltro seed treatment.